Number 13, it says we start with the conic section 4x squared minus 9y squared plus 8x plus f equals 0. And we translate this 2 to the right and 1 up, and we want to know the change in the d, e, and f terms. Okay, and d is the term on the x, e is a term on the y, such as we have down here, and f is a constant term. So we want to find out those changes. What we could do is we can just apply the transformation directly into the x's and y's. So 2 to the right is going to be an x minus 2 transformation. So we're going to do that for the x minus 2 for all the x terms. And then we're going to do, I'm just going to highlight that. So there's my transformation of 2 to the right, my transformation of 1 up, okay, is going to show up in here only. Okay, so then I'm going to plug that in, y minus 1. And then I can just expand this out again. So I end up with 4x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 9 times y squared minus 2y plus 1 plus, and then I'll expand this out, 8x minus 16 plus f equals 0. And then we can see what happens to the terms here. So we end up with 4x squared minus 9y squared. I end up with negative 16x plus 8x. So there's my original 8x. And the change then is going to be, I'll just circle this, this is going to be my change in the coefficient on x, or the change in d. Okay, so that's how much d has changed. So then we can continue along here. We have our plus 18y. Okay, our y originally was 0y, so we're going to show that as that's going to represent my change in the e coefficient. So that represents my change in the e. And then our constant term is going to be plus 16 from the 4 times 4 here, minus 9 from the 9 times 1, and then we're going to have a minus 16 from that 8 times 2 here, and then plus f. So all of those terms together then represent the change in the f value. So my change in d is equal to negative 16. My change in e, because we went from 0 to 18, my change in e is going to be plus 18. And the net change in f, because those 16s will cancel out, the net change in f is negative 9. Okay, and this should be equal to 0, and that's my new function expanded out.